reproduction in human beings, right? And Suman, can you tell me when the reproduction starts in human beings? When puberty hits. And what is the age of when the puberty hits? Anil?
Yeah, when girls get 10 to 13 or 12.
Right.
And then boy, yeah, boy and
Okay. Can someone help Sunaina? Can you tell like at what age the puberty hits in boys? 13 to 14? Maybe 12 to 15? Something this range, Anil? Okay. So great. And what is this age known as? Yeah? Teenage. Okay, that is 13. But he said that puberty in girls start at 10. That's not teen. Adolescence age, right? Okay, great. So in adolescence age, there are certain changes which happen in boys, and there are other changes which happen in girls. Okay, great. Can someone tell me like what are the changes happening in boys and girls? Someone who hasn't answered. Karan? Girls. Loud. To the class.
and
What?
ovaries
Okay.
and where and boys
What change Yes. What? Tell me the change now. You just took the name of two body organs. That is vagina, and the second one that you took as ovary. These are body organs. What are the changes happening?
where ovaries producing egg
Okay. Right. Very good. Ovaries start producing egg. And menstruation starts. Very good. Okay. Loud to the class.
it's in cup shape and it's broaden
It broadens. Very good. Okay, sit down. Anaswan, can you continue? Add on to this.
Yeah, the changes in females.
Right.
Yeah, one said that it's broaden, menstruation cycle begins, where the breast of the girl develop,
Right.
the reproductive parts of girl ovaries, oviduct, these are also begin develop, ovaries start releasing eggs.
Great. Very good. Who will tell me that what are the changes that happen in boys? Yes, Anjali Rani.
Their face come mustache
Mustache. Very
and
good.
shoulders.
Shoulders. What happens with shoulders?
Where their shoulders are, when they are grow up, so their shoulders are also growing.
Grow in what sense?
Very broad.
Broad. Right? Look at the shoulders that I have and look at the shoulders that any boy in your class have. Is there any difference? Right? They're broader. Very good.
Voice.
Voice becomes heavy. Very good.
Where this cloth coming out.
What is that known as?
Apple.
Which apple? Very good. That's an apple. Which apple?
Adam apple.
Adam apple. Very good. Okay. So, very good. Sit down. So, these are the changes which happen in boys, and these are the changes. There are some changes which happen in girls. There are some more changes which happen in boys. You can add on to Zika coming like
Red testes and penis. Where they become larger
right.
and produce sperm.
Very good. So basically, our reproductive parts start producing sperm. Right? Great. Very good. So during this reproduction cycle, when it starts in human beings, there are certain changes that we discussed. Right? Now, there are certain changes that I've written, like we also discussed that how the chromosomes affect the sex of the baby. Right? also we discussed that menstruation starts in girls. Right? I have made two stations in the class, on the left hand side and the right hand side of it. On the left hand side, there is written as mother is responsible for the sex of her child. On the left hand side, it's written women should not be allowed to work in kitchen during menstruation. What I want you people to do right now is go to either of this station. You can go to obviously just one station. You go to either of this station, but you make that choice only if you have heard this thing at your own home. You got it?
Yes.
If you have heard in your own home that this is what they think your family or your uncle or your auntie or someone has said something like this ever, you go to that station. Fine?
Yes.
Yes.
And we haven't heard.
If you haven't heard, then choose your very good. A very good question. If you haven't heard, then you choose your own station and you go to that station. Fine? You choose your station and then I'll tell you what you have to do. Make a move. Start. Okay. In 3. Okay. So now what you people have to do? Can someone tell me what is the objective? Once can you read the objective?
Mother is responsible for
Very good.
criticize the taboo related to reproduction.
Can someone tell me the meaning of criticize? Yes, Sanam?
Where differentiate?
No, not differentiate. Vansh?
Where put in two columns and compare.
That's comparing. You already said compare. No. Rahul?
To explain.
Not to explain. Omkar?
We have to criticize the things.
What do you mean by critique? What do you mean by criticize?
We have to tell like in which category is the thing.
That's category. That's not criticize. Not elaborate. Okay, tell me, you are on this side, women should not be allowed to work in the kitchen during menstruation.
Yes.
You agree to this?
No.
You do not agree to this? Is there anyone who agrees to this? Is there anyone who has heard this thing at their home? You people have heard this thing at your home? Right? Women are not allowed to work in kitchen, women are not allowed to go to the temples, right? During the menstruation. Okay. So, if you are not agreeing to this, what are you doing?
I disagree.
You disagree? If you disagree, what will you do?
I am against it.
You are against it. Putting a point against something is criticizing. Putting a point against something is criticizing. And what do you mean by taboo? Yes, sir.
This society will not accept it.
Which the society doesn't accept. Fine. So you know the meaning of both of these things? Criticize is to say something against, put a point against, and this is a tab. Okay. Now what you people have to do is, you people are into two groups, right? Right? This group is quite big, so what you people do? You further split into two groups. Further split into two groups. Pramod, come this side. Now what I want to be, Saurabh, go this side. Okay, this group is single. What you people have to do, you have to discuss your topic for next 3 minutes. You have to discuss your topic for next 3 minutes and give me rationale against it. Can someone tell me what is the meaning of rationale?
Strong.
Sumit?
Strong reason.
Strong reason, right?
Yes.
You have to give me strong reason why don't you support this. You people support this? No? Okay, then criticize these topics. Discuss in your groups for next 3 minutes and then criticize these topics. Great. Start.
I totally disagree with this. Women should not be allowed to work in kitchen during menstruation क्योंकि इससे कुछ हार्म नहीं होता जब काम करना होता है तुम लोग कुछ हार्म नहीं होता बस एक चीज की वो रखनी पड़ती है कि हमें क्लीन रहना चाहिए हमारी बॉडी क्लीन रहना चाहिए बस हमारी बॉडी को क्लीन रहना चाहिए तो उसको बस इतना ही एक चीज़ है जो हमें इस चीज़ पे ध्यान देना चाहिए कभी किचन या कहीं भी जाने में काम करने से और बॉडी को कुछ हार्म नहीं
The father is responsible for this activity because he has kind of responsibility.
I have a question here. So, like a father has X and Y both on the so why mother can't have X?
That's
We have only one na. See, it's nationality. When X chromosome goes to the mother, then a girl. So mother X chromosome and father X chromosome. So when the girl will also born, it will be with X chromosome.
Okay, just last 1.5 minutes.
So basically what he said that when they act, no one
Who reaches first?
who reaches first that will going to be with mother X chromosome. So that's why mother have only X when they the X mother like in mother's egg there is one chromosome that is active. In father's sperm there are two chromosomes X and Y, and if X and X meet so girl will happen and X and Y meet so boy will happen. So it depends on father that what a chromosome is meet to mother's chromosome. 100% on father, not on mother, not when one person, right?
ये पॉइंट गलत है
Because they are uneducated.
Okay, last 30 seconds.
ये गलत लोग नहीं सोचते हैं ये गलत है ये गलत क्या रहा है पर ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है कि लोग सोचेंगे अगर पीरियड्स हो रहे हैं तो खाना गंदा बन जाए ऐसा उनके अंदर भी तो आपसे बनाते हैं एक होता है क्या कि बोल रहा है हाँ बताओ पॉइंट
पीरियड्स हो रहे होंगे, हाँ दोनों जाएंगे तो इसलिए हाथ धोएंगे।
हाँ वी हैव टू चेंज
इसलिए शायद
नाइस पॉइंट पर तू ऐसे क्यों सोचता है
Okay. Yeah. What do people have to say about that?
that point is
Raise your hand and then only.
we are
Okay. Yes. Kajal.
We are against it because mother has only X chromosome in egg, and if the X chromosome meet to mother's X chromosome, so girl will not happen.
Okay.
And
That's an X chromosome in egg to an X chromosome in egg.
yes,
Cannot happen.
cannot happen.
Then what is required?
So sperm is required of father,
Okay.
and there is two chromosomes in sperm, X and Y.
Okay.
So
So.
if the X, there is two chromosomes. If X chromosome will meet the egg first, so then girl will born, and if the Y chromosome will meet the egg, then boy.
Very good. So that's the scientific reason that you have to criticize these things, right? But why do you think you like this? Our parents or maybe someone in the community says like that. What makes them say like that? Yes, Saurabh?
Most of the time we heard in our community that mothers are responsible for the sex of their baby because they are uneducated. But we have learned the science behind it, and the science says that the father has Y chromosome and X chromosome. When the Y chromosome goes to X, it forms a boy, which means a boy have X chromosome and Y too. But when the X goes to mother X, it has only XX. The mother chromosome X and the father chromosome X. So which means the girl have only XX. She don't have Y and X. She has just X. So it means that father has two kind of X and two kind of chromosome. This says that father has two kind of chromosome and he is the responsible for the sex of the baby.
What do people have to say about your point?
Here we are totally disagree with his point.
Right,
That women should not be allowed to work in the kitchen during menstruation. I think that no harm will be there if any woman will work in the kitchen during menstruation. But one thing which they should care of that their body should be clean. They should care about their body, that their body is hygienic or not.
Okay, very valid point. But Shoaib, why do you think that people in the community say like that? That the girls should not be allowed to work in the kitchen or may not be allowed to go to the temples during menstruation?
Because they have come to blood bath, blood is come out and they can clean that things. भैया अचानक से कोई ना क्लीन कर देंगे.
Yeah, but there are. Can someone like?
But they do guilt type of things. Like dirty. Yeah. They think if that woman made food for us, so then that
भैया
food will.
वही हैंड यूज होंगे जो भैया उससे सफा करे थे तो ये उसमें बदबू भी आएगी.
But we will clean it now. But then also the people mindset will not change. They
So
think.
you support that, Shoaib?
Yes.
You support that?
No.
You don't? Why don't you?
Because भैया it's not allowed ना.
It's not.
Why not good?
You just said that we would be like using the same hands to clean during the menstruation time and will be, like women would be cooking with the same hands. So you just said that. Then you are saying that you are not supporting this. Why?
Because भैया when भैया women भैया cook the food ना, so भैया there is भैया dirty hand है ना.
Why they wash their hands?
No भैया.
But then also some people think that
One person at a time. So
भैया if they don't have a भैया cleanliness मतलब भैया हाथ धोने की जरूरत है. So भैया
no, there is.
भैया if there is so भैया there is also smell coming.
Then also people think चाहे जितने भी मतलब they how many times they wash their hand, but then also they think that their hands will be dry.
And they think vomiting coming.
I absolutely agree. They think. What do you think?
But we don't think this.
Harsh, what do you think?
Yeah, I didn't think like that.
Why?
Bhaiya, because bhaiya, the woman can wash hands. Bhaiya, there is a liquid, bhaiya like Dettol, bhaiya